In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a picture in PowerPoint. Whether you're preparing a presentation for class, a work meeting, or a personal project, adding images to your slides can make them more engaging and visually appealing. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First off, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. If it's your first time using PowerPoint, you can usually find it in your list of applications or by searching for it in your computer's start menu. Once PowerPoint is open, the next step is to navigate to the specific presentation you're working on. You can either create a new presentation by selecting New, or you can open an existing one by clicking Open, and then selecting the file from your recent documents or browsing your computer. Once your presentation is open and you're ready to add a picture, direct your attention to the ribbon at the top of the screen. This is where all your main tools reside. You'll want to locate the Insert tab, which is typically situated between Home and Design. Click on the Insert tab to reveal a menu full of options to enhance your slides. Now here's where it starts to get interesting. In the Insert menu, you'll see an option labeled Pictures. Click on it. This will give you a drop-down offering multiple sources from which you can choose your picture, such as this device, stock images, or online pictures, if you have access to the internet. For this walkthrough, let's stick with this device. Clicking this device will open a file browser, allowing you to navigate through your files on your computer. This step is crucial because it's where you can take a moment to find that perfect image that suits the purpose of your slide. Once you find your image, click on it to highlight it. With your image selected, look for the Insert button, typically located towards the bottom of the open dialog box. Click Insert, and just like that, your image will pop up right where your cursor was last positioned on the slide. It's now part of your presentation. You're not done yet though. Once inserted, you might notice that your picture isn't exactly where you want it or fits the way you imagined. Not a problem. You can move your image around by clicking and dragging it. If you want the image resized, simply click on one of the corner handles and drag to adjust its dimensions proportionally. And there you have it, you've successfully added a picture to your PowerPoint presentation. Feel free to experiment by using different images and arrangements to see what works best for your slides. Adding pictures is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your presentations and engage your audience. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to catch our next video for more helpful tips.